Alright, today we're looking at a 2013 Honda Accord EXL. It's got 75,000 miles on it. Alright, it's a local trade. It's white Orchid Pearl in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle, start here on the driver's side. Alright, got the turn signals in the side mirrors, nice chrome trim around the windows, chrome door handles, got your lock unlock button here. It is equipped with sunroof. Alright, driver's side of the Accord's in great shape. Do see that it has a brand new set of tires on it. It's got rear backup camera. The chrome door handles here. The lock unlock button here on the passenger side. Once again, turn signals in the side mirrors. It does have the blind spot monitoring camera. We'll show you that in just a second. Once again, it's a 13, 75,000 miles on it. Local trade. All right, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Alright, got the beige and black door panels, memory seats with a nice wood grain trim here, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Alright, got your econ button here, you've got your lane departure warning button, blind spot monitoring camera button. Alright, it's got beige leather power driver seat. Okay, got the perforated inserts. Alright, driver seat's in good shape. Center console, plenty of storage, got a power outlet there. Does come with the keyless entry key fob. Okay. Passenger seat's in great shape. Alright, it is an automatic. It's got your heated seats. Got another power outlet, USB and auxiliary port down here. Push button start with the dual climate controls. Alright, got your radio display right here. It's going to have the backup camera and the blind spot monitoring camera. Leather wrapped steering wheel with the cruise control. Steering wheel audio and Bluetooth on this side. Alright, let's go ahead and check the mileage. Oh, and you know what? Let me give you one more shot of the sunroof here. Alright, let's go ahead and check the mileage. Alright, it's got 75,820 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, let's go ahead and show you the radio display. Okay, and then down here you got your different presets for the channels, for radio stations. Alright, let's go ahead and activate the backup camera. It's going to be on this upper screen here. Alright, it's got the guidelines on there as well. And then your blind spot monitoring camera. And let's see if I can dim that down. There we go. And that gives you a visual of your blind spots, a nice safety feature that Honda offers. Okay. Once again, the dual climate controls, push button start. Okay. Automatic. Got your heated seats right here. Alright, and then once again I want to show you it's got the sunroof. Okay. Alright, let's go ahead and hop out. We'll take a look in the back seat. Alright, door panels back here look good. Back seat carpet's in great shape, no staining back here. Alright, back seat leather looks amazing. For 2013, this thing is in fantastic shape. Center console comes down, got the cup holders there. I mean, there's not even a wrinkle in the leather. This thing's well taken care of. All right, give you a driver's eye view of the dash layout here. Okay. Take a look in the trunk. Got the nice rubber protector mat here. Lift this up, the jack and spare tire underneath. As you can see, there's a ton of room in the back of these Accords. Let's take a look at the wheels and tires. All right, got a brand new set of tires. Still got the markings on them there. All right, let's see what size we have here. 17-inch alloys. Okay. All right, once again, it's a 2013. It's got 75,000 miles on it. It's a local trade. This thing's in fantastic shape, inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.